Anushka, your food partner. So today I will help you how to make a cheesy macaroni which is gluten free and very yum to eat. So let's start. For this we would need 2 pinch salt, some coriander and grated cheese and 1 full cup of water and 1 full cup of macaroni and a big bowl and also black pepper and 2 spoons. So first we would add some macaroni, which is main ingredient, and I love to eat macaroni. So now we would have to add some water. Great. So now we would have to add some salt, which is 2 pinch. Great. Now we would have to add this thing in microwave for 4 minutes. So yeah. Now we would have to add this in microwave, and now we would close it and we'll set it for 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now let's start. Now I have took this out from microwave for 4 minutes, and now I would have to add grated cheese. So cheesy. Yeah. And now we would have to add some black pepper. And now we would have to add mix. Whoa. So nice. Mix. And we would add some coriander in it. Wow, great. So yeah, now guys, I'm putting this in microwave for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3 and start. Guys, my gluten-free cheesy macaroni is ready, as you can see, and it smells so good. You cannot even imagine, and I'm very excited to eat it. And yeah, remember, please like and subscribe my video, and I'll also comment if you liked it. So yeah, bye bye.